Umadevi Children's Academy present Learn from Home, Class 3rd GK. I'm Anubhav and today we're going to learn about 7 wonders of the world. Welcome students, how are you all? I hope you are doing great at home. First we recap what we have learned in previous class. In previous class, we learned about 10 points on sports. So I'm gonna ask one question from different sports and you got 5 seconds to answer, okay? So first question is a person who bowls a ball known as. You got 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A person who bowls a ball is known as a bowler. A person who protects a ball is known as. You got 5 seconds to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A person who protects a ball in a football is known as a goalkeeper. Next question. How many players can play in one hockey team? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 11 players can play in one hockey team. Last question. Kabaddi is a national game of which country? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Kabaddi is a national game of Bangladesh. So that's all for the recap. Let's move towards our main topic, which is 7 wonders of the world.
Can you name the 7 wonders of the world? You got 10 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Most of you guys know the 7 wonders of the world by sequence. Let's discuss all one by one and you can check is you are right or wrong. Okay, can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is known the world over for its beautiful architecture, history and the tale of love that led to its creation. We all know like how the Taj Mahal created. It is created by the Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz. It is located in the Indian city of Agra. The Taj Mahal was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a testament of his love for his separated wife Mumtaz Mahal. Apart from housing her tomb, it also contains the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. The mausoleum is any architecture was built by the Muslim or Mughal emperor. The mausoleum, built with an ivory white marble and precious stone, was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. To this day, it attracts 7 to 8 million visitors in a year. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Colosseum. It is also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre. The Colosseum is an oval-shaped amphitheatre located in the center of Rome in Italy, built with concrete and sand. Its construction began under Emperor Vespasian in AD 72 and it was completed by the successor Titus in AD 80. It means Colosseum is an amphitheatre in which is built by the Emperor Vespasian in AD 72, but it's not completed. And completed by his successor, or means his future king Titus in AD 80. It is the largest amphitheatre in the world and had the capacity to host about 80,000 spectators. In ancient time, it was used to gladiatorial contests and public spectacles such as mock sea battles. Its other activity included animal hunt, famous battle of re-encampments, executions and mythological dramas. Today it is popular tourist attraction and an iconic symbol of imperial. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Machu Picchu. It is located in the eastern Cordillera of South Peru on a 7,970 feet mountain bridge. Mountain Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel. It is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization and is often mistaken for the lost city of the Incas. The most archaeologist is the person who study the past person. Most archaeologists believe that it was constructed as an east state for the Inca emperor Ponchoti around the year 1450, which means most of the archaeologists think that it is created to live in it, but they abandoned a century later at the time of Spanish conquest. The Spanish had no idea about its existence, and it was only brought to international attention in 1911 by American historian Hiram Bingham. Built with polished dry stone walls, Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian history sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Christ the Redeemer, a known work of art in Brazil. Christ the Redeemer, Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ. It was created by French sculptor Paul Landowski and built by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa in collaboration with French engineer Albert Cecot. Romanian sculptor George Leonida fashioned the face made of reinforced concrete and soapstone. It weighs 635 metric ton and it is located at the peak of 700-meter Corcovado mountain in the Tijuca Forest National Park, overlooking the city of Rio de Janeiro. Construction began in 1922 and it was completed in 1931. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is an archaeological site located in Tiner municipality of Yucatan state in Mexico. It was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya people and was likely to have been one of the mythological great cities. It is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico and consists of buildings like the El Coracal or Observatory of Chichen Itza, the Temple of Warriors, Grand Balcod, Venus Platform and others. It was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Petra. Originally known to its inhabitants as Rokmu, Petra is a historical and archaeological city in southern Jordan. It is believed that the area around Petra was inhabited as early as 7000 BC, and the access to the city is through 1.2 km long gorge called the Sikh, which leads directly to the Khazneh. It had remained unknown to the world until Johann Ludwig Burckhardt rediscovered it in 1812. Petra is also called the Rose City due to the color of the stone from which it is carved. Carved means tarashahi karna. Its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system continue to attract huge number of tourists, and it has been UNESCO World Heritage Site by since 1985. Can you guess the name of this wonder? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Great Wall of China. As the name suggests, it is located in China, and the Great Wall is the collective name given to series of fortification system, means a fort built across the border of the country. The purpose of Great Wall is to protect as wall as mark the territories of the Chinese state and empire. Several of the walls were found to have been built as early as 7th century BC, but the most well-known sections were built by the Ming Dynasty in 1368 to 1644. An archaeological survey found that the entire wall with all its branches measures or to be 21,196 kilometer. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987 and attracts many visitors every year. That's all for today class. The homework is to learn all the 7 wonders and about them. Thank you and take care. Farewell. See ya.